Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going on a mega adventure through the world of triangles. Every major theorem you'll ever need, all in one place. Whether you're prepping for boards, a competitive test, or you just love geometry, this one's for you. Let's go! Theorem 1, the triangle sum theorem. Here's something magical. No matter what triangle you draw, tiny, huge, squished, stretched, the three interior angles always add up to exactly 180 degrees. Always, every time. No exceptions. Next up, the celebrity of all theorems, the Pythagorean theorem. In a right-angled triangle, the square of the longest side, the hypotenuse, equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We visualize this with actual squares growing out of each side. See how the two smaller squares together fill the big one? Magic! Theorem 3, triangle inequality. For any triangle, the sum of any two sides must be greater than the third. Think of it like a detour. Going A to B to C is always longer than straight A to C. Watch what happens when we break the rule. Theorem 4, the exterior angle theorem. When you extend one side of a triangle, you get an exterior angle. That angle equals the sum of the two remote interior angles. Super useful for quick calculations in your exam. Remember this one. Theorem 5, basic proportionality theorem, also Thales' theorem. Draw a line parallel to one side of a triangle, and it cuts the other two sides in the same ratio. AD over DB equals AE over EC. Snap! That clean ratio will save you so many marks in your exams. Two triangles are congruent when they are perfectly identical. Same shape, same size. But here is the clever part. You do not need to check all 6 measurements, just the right combination of 3. SSS means all 3 sides match. SAS means 2 sides and the included angle between them. That included angle is the key word here. ASA, 2 angles and the sides sitting between them. Again, the included side matters. AAS, 2 angles and a side. But this time, the side does not have to be between the angles. RHS, this one is only for right-angled triangles, the hypotenuse and one other side. And you have got congruence. Two triangles are similar when they have the same shape but different sizes. Their angles match and their sides are in proportion. There are 3 ways to prove similarity. First, AA, which stands for angle-angle. If just 2 angles match, the triangles must be similar because the third angle follows automatically from the triangle sum theorem. This is the one you will use most in your exams, so remember it well. Second is SSS similarity, where all 3 pairs of sides must be in the same proportion. Third is SAS similarity, where 2 sides are in proportion and the included angle between them is equal. Spot 2, equal angles in any problem, and similarity is proven instantly. AA is your best friend. The midpoint theorem. Join the midpoints of any 2 sides and you get a line parallel to the third side and exactly half its length. Simple, elegant, and perfect for proofs. So, if M is the midpoint of AB and N is the midpoint of AC, then MN is parallel to BC and MN equals half of BC. Every single time, no exceptions. In any triangle, if you draw a line from one vertex that cuts the opposite angle exactly in half, that line is called the angle bisector. Now here is the interesting part. Wherever that bisector meets the opposite side, it divides that side in a very specific ratio. The ratio of the 2 segments equals the ratio of the 2 adjacent sides. So if AD bisects angle A and meets BC at D, then BD over DC equals AB over AC. Clean, simple, and incredibly useful in exams. Before we get to the theorem, let us understand one key word. A Cevian is simply any line drawn from a vertex of a triangle all the way to the opposite side. That is it. The median is a Cevian, the altitude is a Cevian, the angle bisector is a Cevian. They are all Cevians. Now, what happens when three Cevians all meet at a single point inside the triangle? That meeting point is called a triangle center, and that is exactly what this theorem is all about. This theorem is a gem for Olympiad students. If three lines drawn from each vertex of a triangle all meet at a single point inside it, then the product of three specific ratios always equals 1. Always. It works for medians, it works for altitudes, and it works for angle bisectors. They all pass through what we call a triangle center, and the product of those ratios always exactly 1. Mind blown! And that is a wrap. You just powered through 10 triangle theorems in one single video. If this video helped you even a little, please hit the like button, subscribe for more math content, and drop a comment telling me which theorem was your favorite. I will see you in the next one.